I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by installing and enabling a virtual microphone or voice changer. This is the tool that alters your voice before Meet receives it. Once done, give the app microphone permissions in your OS and browser. Without that, Meet can't hear the altered signal. Make sure Chrome or the Meet app is updated, then restart the browser so the virtual device registers. After restart, open your system's sound settings and make the virtual mic the default input to ensure Meet will pick it up. Now hop into Google Meet and open Settings, then Audio. Select the virtual microphone you installed as the microphone input. This routes all audio through the voice changer. Next, switch back to the voice changer app and choose a preset or tweak pitch, format, and effects to get the desired tone. Once adjusted, run Meet's microphone test or start a brief test call with a friend. Listen for latency and clarity. If levels are low, raise the output in the voice app and recheck in Meet settings. Finish by confirming the virtual mic remains selected in Meet and that your voice app settings are saved. Do a final short trial to confirm clarity. If participants report silence, reopen browser permissions and the OS sound panel. Often the virtual device loses permission or the sample rate mismatches. Set 44. 1 or 48 kHz in both apps. If your voice lags or stutters, close CPU-heavy programs and reduce effect intensity in the voice changer. One key tip: always test 5 minutes before meetings to fix issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.